Today I am going to do reading tips on true, false and not given. In my previous videos also I have told that true is based on the factual information, that statement agrees with the information, false it contradicts the information. So in this case I have selected the question numbers 1 to 5, and in one first question what I have to underline, the main thing is that first of all they have written the oak has the thickest bark of any living tree, right? So in this I have seen the oak, no need to underline it. Then I have seen one here superlative degrees word, that is the thickest. So that's why I have underlined it, the thickest. Then he is saying of any living tree. It means they have compared the cork with any living tree. Second, scientists have developed a synthetic cork with the same cellular structure as natural cork. So it means they have compared here two things. They have compared a synthetic cork, right? Same cellular structure as is there, that is the word of comparison, natural cork. Fine. So I have to search on this basis whether my answer is true, false or not given. In third, individual cork of trees must be left for 25 years between the first and, because as we know the between and has a strong relation according to English grammar, second harvest. Individual cork of trees must be left. It means they should be left for 25 years. Time is there, so that's why I have underlined the time. Second, between first and second harvest, that I have underlined. These are the numbers, so that's why I have underlined first and second. In fourth, cork bark should be, advice is there, stripped in dry atmospheric conditions. So I have underlined dry atmospheric conditions, and strip is in my mind, or I can underline also. The only way to remove the bark from cork, only I have to underline, because only way to remove the bark from cork of trees by hand. So this is the only way. So you can go with the direct link. It means what's the way, that is only hand. In the first you can check, that is statement number 1. They have used the 2 times in this sentence. In the statement number 2 they have used the with the cellular structure, right? And there is no use of a, and there is one a use here, you can check. In third they have used the first and second, so that's why, and no other. Cork bark should be stripped, so it's used here should, and there is no another thing. Here they have used the only way to remove the bark from the is by hand. So in this I have made a direct link to the hand, the only way. And now let's go to this one. In just like statement number 1, I have underlined the thickest. So this is the start of the para. When you can go through the first of all the passage. This is the first page of the passage. Fine. First part of the passage, that is on page number this one. So the passage is taken about the cork, right? So they have written here in the first line, cork, the thick bark of the cork, right? They have written here thick, so I got one word here, as I have to select. You can check please. I have to select the thickest here, right? So this is the way. So let's do one thing. Okay dear, so I have folded the page. So they have written here thick here. So in my statement number 1 or question number 1, thickest is there. So thick bark of the cork oak tree is a remarkable material, right? I got this one, the cork. I got the oak also. These 3 words I have got. Then is a remarkable, present tense is there in both cases. Here is the thick, here is the thickest. So matching is not there in this line. Any living tree, and they haven't compared cock with any living tree. You can check please. Right? They have written that it has been used for millennia. The ancient Egyptians sealed there. The thing is that if I go beyond this line, fine, I am out of my topic. Even if I want to say that beyond this, because they have written it is tough, elastic, buoyant and fire resistant. That is another thing. So the thing is that I have to check my answer from here. Right? This is my initial position. This is my question number 1. Fine. And this is my line, and I have to find the answer within this area. So that is, there is no matching. Now the thing is that I know the answer is no true. Now second, my confusion starts with whether it is false or it is not given. Here I want to share one thing with you, a kind of tip, that they have compared a tree that is named as cock with any living tree. It means this is living thing, this is also living thing, right? So this is a noun and living tree is also a noun, and they have compared. If they have compared one noun with another noun, right? Here they have written only one noun. So in this you can try in this way also. If there is no noun in the given line here, fine. Just I want to say again. In statement number 1 there are 2 nouns, but in the para number 1 of the passage there is only one noun. So it means one noun is out of track from this line. Fine. So the answer is always not given. Remember this one. Fine. So I have tried to explain my point. If still you have problem, please send the text. I will give you a reply. Second is that scientists have developed, I already read for you, a synthetic cock with the same. It means I have to first find the humans here. So who are the humans here? The scientists. Right? So let's track to the next. This is para number 1 in front of you. So there is no scientist, only past people they have written, and in the statement, this is a statement for you, they have used present perfect tense, have developed. Frank to you, this has a great role in IELTS, right? Have developed. So I haven't seen, because this is modern time here, present perfect, it attached the time, fine. So they haven't written anything, please you can check. Then he said, and the cock itself an extraordinary tree. I haven't seen any scientist. Right? So this is the best way to just scan the text which is in front of you. Fine. I haven't got, but while searching, I got one thing, that is cellular structure. Fine. So you can check in this case on this sheet. We have already underlined same cellular structure. Fine. In this, what's the meaning of statement number 2? That now we can easily go with any man-made cock. So they have written, developed most probably as a defense against the forest fires. The bark of oak has a particular cellular structure with about 40 million cells per cubic centimeter. That technology, so I got one word technology here, has never succeeded in replicating. So what's the meaning of replicate? Copy. So nobody has got that technology. They has never succeeded. Right? You can check here. And in number 2 they have written, scientists have developed a synthetic. It means they haven't developed. Now this I know it's not true. Fine. Now I have to search it, that whether it is false or not given. Basically the complete any English test, whether it is IELTS, PTE, TOEFL or any other English test related to Cambridge or any other universities or any other organizations, the thing is that the The game is only of the matching words, or you can say same meaning words, right? If we go for a strong matching, just look here please. They have written scientists, so they scientist has a great relation with the technology, right? And second, they have written they have said never succeeded, right? So here I can easily go with succeed means growth. Technology with my scientists succeed with my growth or develop. If they have said here a synthetic coke, and they are saying with that they never succeeded replicate. Replicate is a kind of same meaning to the that what kind of replication or copy, what thing, the copy of the coke. So what's the copy of the coke? That is directly related to the synthetic coke. They said that same cellular structure that is also written has a particular cellular structure, and you can check here. Fine. So it means most of the things are matched here. So it means my answer lies here. Fine. Now what we are searching? We are searching the relation between whether it is my answer is false or not given. So I have to get the accurate answer. Line is matched. Nouns are matched. Scientist is a noun, right? Same cellular structure, the is written here. You know that is also here written here. So it's also match. What is not match? That is only never. So it means the line is matched, but the never is not matched, right? Because here the statement agrees or positive, here the statement is in the negative form. So the best answer or my answer is false, right? Then go to the next one, that is third. He said, already we have underlined the time, that it takes 25 years between the first and second harvest. So we can go with the another one, number of, then this we are going for the time period only. You can check please. I am moving my pencil accordingly. You can use this tip in listening also. Keep your pencil on the sheet. Never pick the pencil, because human needs work to concentrate, and you have get a work. So I haven't got any time here up to this stage, right? So this I got here from the planting of it. Let me discuss this one, because I got the 25 years. So when I find this that 25 years, because in third also you can check 25 is there. Fine. So what I have to do here now, the thing is that just go to it. I have to go back to the full stop. From here I start my reading. From the planting of the cock sapling to the first harvest takes 25 years. Right? He's telling only from the 0 to 25. But what's my statement? It is saying that between the first and the second harvest, right? And a gap of approximately a decade. He is saying gap of approximately a decade must separate harvest from an individual tree. 1 second. I got one word here, that is individual tree, and here I have got the individual cock of trees. It means the thing is the same, right? Because the whole topic is based on the cock. He is saying must be left for 25 years, and he is saying a gap of a decade, right? And there is a huge difference between 10 years and 25 years. It's not equal, my dear, right? He said must separate harvests. So what are the harvests here? First and second. It means I have found the complete line, but the nouns I have found, but I haven't found one thing, that's the conflict in the time, right? Here the time is 25 and here the time is 10. So naturally my answer is false, and I don't want to explain why it is not given, because I have already explained in the second statement. So here my answer is false, right? So these answers I have got from this passage, right? Now let's go to the next one. He said should be stripped in dry. So here weather conditions are given, fine. So we have to search the weather conditions. He said top quality cock. It's necessary to wait a further 15 to 20 years. No, you even have to wait for the right kind of summer's day to harvest cock. 1. If the bark is stripped on a day when it's too cold or when the air is damp, the tree will be damaged. So it means my answer states here. You even have to. So addition word is there, connector is there. Have means a kind of, we can say that, compulsion to wait for the right kind of summer. Summer days are always dry. So here the matching of summer is with it, right? And he is giving us advice. Have to wait for the right kind. He said should be, right? To harvest cock if the bark is stripped. So here condition is there. So I think you understand what's the meaning of strip here, right? That is harvest cock or strip. So when we have to strip in the summer days are known for the dry days. So there is no confusion in this, and the answer is exactly true. You can check please properly the number, the lines which are in relation with this. Basically this is the paraphrase line. This one is paraphrase of this one, right, of this passage. That's why the answer is true. Fine. Now we go to the next one. So that is the thing is that I have to go to the second part of the passage. So this is the second part. First you can check please. The topic is same, that is on the cock. So we are left with one statement only, that is statement number 5. So the thing is that I already told the statement, already underlined. The only way to remove the bark from cock oak trees is by hand, right? So there is only one way available, that you have to strip the bark with the hand. So let's go to this one. So as we are in a symmetry, so let's find that where my answer lies. So this is my statement on which I have to find the answer. Fine. The only way to remove the bark from cock oak tree is by hand. So you can check. Right. So he said, now what the paragraph states, cock harvesting is a very specialized profession. No mechanical means of stripping cock bark has been invented. So his statement is saying that there is no mechanical means. So mechanical means is not there. So the job is done by teams of highly skilled workers, right? So the thing is that first they make vertical cuts down the bark. This is the procedure with using small sharp axes. But he is saying there is no machinery available to do this work. So job is done by the teams. So who are teams here? The people, the workers. So naturally they do the job by hand, whether they are doing with the small sharp axe, right? They lever it away in pieces as large as they can manage. So this is written, no mechanical means of stripping cock bark has been invented. Job is only done by the people. So what's written here? Please go to the 5th. The only way to remove the bark from cock oak tree is by hand. It means when there is no machinery available. So which one is the best way to work? By the worker has to work by their hands, whether they are axing the tree or the bark. So this is a direct match. Without any time waste, you can easily find the answer of this one. Actually this is true. So this we did in from statement number 1 to 5, or we can say from question number 1 to 5, and we have got the answers. The answer of 1 is not given, second false, third false, fourth is true, and fifth is also true. So we did 1 to 5, and if you have any doubt you can text me. Just look at this so that you can go with the passage also. Fine. So if you have doubt you can text me so that if I can also try to clear your doubt, right? I am trying to satisfying the things properly. So this is the passage from where we have got the answers. So, and above all, thanks for watching my videos and giving me a very positive response. Thanks for your motivation. So please, if you are new subscriber, a new person or new subscriber, do one thing, just subscribe my channel and like, comment also, so that I can get your views and try to excel myself in a better manner, right? Thanks once again for watching the videos.